In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Workspace. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or just need a refresher on how to log in, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First up, we're going to navigate to the Google Workspace login page. This might seem straightforward, but remember, you'll need an existing Google account to proceed. If you have multiple accounts, no worries, you'll have the opportunity to choose the right one in just a moment. Once you're on the login page, you'll see a list of your Google accounts, assuming you're already signed into Google on your browser. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account credentials. This is the moment where you'll select the account you want to use for Google Workspace. Click on the account that you intend to use. It's as simple as that. After selecting your account, it's time to secure your login. You'll be asked to type in your password. It's crucial to ensure your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Take your time and make sure every character is accurate. Following the input of your password, you'll see a Next button. Clicking this will finalize the authentication process, and assuming your password is correct, you'll be granted access to Google Workspace. And there you have it. You're now logged into Google Workspace, ready to utilize all the powerful tools and features it offers to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Remember, Google Workspace is a suite of cloud computing, collaboration, and productivity tools, so take some time to explore and familiarize yourself with everything available to you. Keep in mind, navigating the digital workspace can sometimes be tricky, but by following these steps, accessing Google Workspace should be a breeze. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you navigate your digital tools and services with ease.